Java developers, listen up. These two trending open source projects will level up your game. Welcome to GitHub Trends, Java, and more. Enterprise Java application servers cost $25,000 per processor license. Spring Boot runs your entire application for free. It auto-configures your stack, embeds Tomcat, and boots production-ready services in under 2 seconds flat. Over 76,000 stars on GitHub. Millions of developers worldwide ship applications without writing a single XML configuration file. That is why startups and Fortune 500 companies both reach for it first. Worth a star? Link in description. Java Backend interview prep courses charge $200 on Udemy and Educative. Advanced Java gives you the same material for free. It covers high concurrency, distributed systems, microservices, and massive data processing, all in one structure. D-Guide. Nearly 79,000 developers have started, making it one of the most trusted interview resources on GitHub. If you are prepping for a senior Java role, this repo covers everything they will ask. Star it if this saved you money. Star the repos that impressed you and follow GitHub Trends for more next week.